In our family, the male child was called Baba and the girl child was called Babi. So as we grew up, there were more than one male member in the family, so it became T.S. Baba. So Baba is from there. गुड मॉर्निंग। आ गए आप लोग? और कुछ बातें आप लोग करना चाहें जरूर करें। Being a government servant, my father was an IAS officer. So we were more children of an government servant than a son of a feudal head of a family. My childhood and my upbringing went through a lot of, let us say, educative anecdotes by my father while we were moving around in jungles. He would talk about something, say something. Then, of course, we didn't realize that we are being coached. Dad wrote a letter to me. He never told me what to do in life. Only twice he told me what to do or what not to do, and both times I let him down. One was he told me to do law. Next he told me, don't enter into politics. So this is my younger brother, then sister, then me. This is my brother, his wife, their son, daughter, daughter-in-law. This is our grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, mummy at the back, and three of us, my elder sister, me and younger sister. This is Adi and Eshu. This is me and my dad. This used to be with my mother. So she had this at her bedside. So after her passing away, they've put it here. This is me with the children. This is Adi, Eshu, Trishala. The other place to sit is outside, under the mango tree. And meetings take place right across this part of that building. So you take a meeting from time to time when a situation comes. At least once weekly, one would like. तो मुख्य उद्देश्य आज की बैठक का इन्हीं कोरोना के संबंध में जो विशेष मुद्दे हैं इन पे ध्यान करना। एक टेस्टिंग, दूसरा वैक्सीनेशन, तीसरा कॉन्टैक्ट ट्रेसिंग और दवाइयाँ जो उपचार के लिए हैं इनकी स्टॉक की क्या पोजीशन है, पर्याप्त मात्रा में दवाइयाँ हैं कि नहीं, और शासन की तरफ से सहयोग बतौर जो दवाइयाँ वितरण हो रही थी उनकी क्या स्थिति है। I sleep late and get up a little late, say 8-ish. For one, it should not be so. There should be no biography or autobiography. और होनी भी है तो T.S. Baba. I am more fond of non-fiction, a tinge of philosophy, tinge of general views. Chocolates to be kept in check. Usually with nuts. A little on the bitter side, not too bitter. You should be approachable. So what I used to do in every meeting I went to the villages, I used to give my telephone number. My bhashan or whatever talk was with the people, the first thing I would say was कि ये मेरा number है, आपको ये नहीं है कि घर नहीं आना, I'm not stopping you from coming home कि फ़ोन से ही बात करनी है. You are welcome anytime you feel I am there, आप पता कर लो, you can come. But for anything you can give me a call. What has given me the most satisfaction is if you are being able to help somebody. So it can be anything. It can be setting up an industry, it can be a home dispute, it can be a small quarrel, it can be a land dispute. So Dussehra is the time when people also come to meet you. That's part of the feudal setup. and the mindset of the people कि भाई दशहरा में राजा के दर्शन शुभ होते हैं. So between today's world and the old views, they like to come on that day.
Being in politics, there are expectations in festivals ki you have to be around and you have to meet with the people also. So he makes sure that both the things are balanced. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतना dominate हो जाता है time in politics कि घर के लिए time ही नहीं बचता. So he makes the extra effort to ensure कि he's there in with the family on all the major occasions.
He's always there with us, like in our happy times, in our sad times. He's always there, always. I can talk to him about anything. हम full on gossip करते हैं and कोई भी occasion होता है, कुछ भी होता है, वो हमेशा time निकालते हैं. मतलब he is someone, he's so simple. He's someone who's not living his life for himself.
Greetings on World Health Day. With the progress in science, research particularly in genetics, with growing technological efficiency also particularly in the IT sector, we are progressing rapidly in improving healthcare for the citizens of this world, even our country. And we have seen how even in India at the time of independence, if our life expectancy was about 45, today it is nearing 70 years. An average lifespan for a citizen of our country was probably below 50. This is 1947. And in just these 70 odd years, today every citizen in our country on an average is living up to at least 69 years. Other parts of the world past 70, 75, nearing 80. So this is what science has given us. This is what improvements have come as far as health and healthcare are concerned. So a very healthy life on this occasion of World Health Day. Longer life, healthier life, better life, happier life to all of us, to all of you.